Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Reeses Chocolate Scotch Eggs. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl, and into that place in your room temperature butter. I was making these in the summer and it was very warm. Once melted, add in the cocoa powder and whisk together until smooth and glossy. Once it's smooth and glossy, you can then go ahead and add in the granulated sugar and just whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the consistency, and this is due to the amount of sugar that was added. Don't worry. This will alleviate as we add in the eggs and the vanilla extract. Then mix until they are fully incorporated. The mixture should be smooth and glossy once again. Then add in your flour and salt, and we're not adding any chocolate chips as we want this mixture to be as smooth as possible. So just fold those in until they are fully incorporated. Once they are, you should have a clear brownie batter looking something similar to this. Then grab yourself a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour the brownie batter into it and just level it out if needed, but it should do that itself very well. Place into your preheated oven and bake it off. Once it's baked, you can then allow it to cool completely, and once it is cooled completely, you can then take it and break it up. I recommend doing this by hand as it's much easier, but you can also use a stand mixer. So just place into a bowl and break it up between your hands as if you're rubbing butter into flour for pastry or shortbread, that kind of thing. But you're not looking to get it so fine. A few big chunks here and there won't really matter. You could also use a food processor to blitz it down, but because it's a brownie, it will clump together, which is kind of what you want, but also not at the same time because it might become a little too gooey and dense. But then just do it between your hands, break down the big pieces as much as you can, and once you have done that, you can grab one of the Reese's peanut butter eggs and just take some of the mixture and create a ball around it, and just keep going until you've got an equal amount all round, and then level it and smooth it out as best as you possibly can. It won't be completely smooth, but as much as you possibly can, and repeat the process until you've done all of them. So then to finish, I just take some grated dark chocolate and roll each of the balls into it, and ensuring that it's got an even or as even as possible coating, and repeat the process until I have none of them left. So here are what the Scotch eggs look like. Well, not Scotch eggs, but you know what I mean. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.